Hello, I'm Aditi Mukherjee, mother of Chandri Mukherjee, and I'm very happy to say that my daughter has scored 645 out of 720 in NEET 2021. She joined RJ Vision since class 9th, and her dream was to get into a medical college because we are from a family with no medical background. And with this dream, she joined RJ Vision, and I'm very happy to say that her dream is almost fulfilled, and she is able to do this because of the continuous and the relentless support, guidance, and motivation of the faculty, the management, the staff, the entire team of RJ Vision. And first of all, I would like to say that the teaching methodology, the way the concepts, the basic concepts, from the very beginning, from 11th onwards, before the crisis, when offline classes were going on, even then the teaching method, all the concepts were explained in a very simple and lucid manner, and the regular test series. And when the pandemic struck, and I was very apprehensive. I thought whether she would make it, but because of the support that we got from RJ Vision, it was a very smooth journey for her. And when online education was going on, the way they handled the whole thing, the RJ Vision faculty, the RJ Vision team, the pandemic situation, the digital platform which was specially created for them, so that they were not in the normal digital platform, and distractions were very less, and all the concepts, technology was used to keep them glued to the screen, so that the teaching never became boring. And apart from that, the personal contact that was maintained throughout the pandemic period, it was quite a long period. The entire period, the teachers, the staff, the faculty, they never lost the contact with the students. My daughter was free. Whatever doubts she had, she could message to her teachers at any point of time, and they were very supportive. Whenever any doubts came to her mind, she could ring up or talk to teachers personally. So this is something which is very unique at RJ Vision. The personal touch, the personal care, I think that helped her. That encouraged her and motivated her to do so well finally in the NEET. And the test series, I would like to mention that the test series which was conducted, the relentless, the continuous test series was very helpful, and the questions that were given in the test, that more or less, some of them came also in the NEET question paper. Like, it was very much anticipated that the paper would be very easy. That was the general view. But physics paper at the RJ Vision test series always continued to be on the, it was always on the tougher side. And that's why, and it completely matched with the NEET pattern. This time physics paper was very tough, but she found it very easy because of the, the experience of the teachers. They were experienced enough to anticipate that the pattern of the paper. And also the paper pattern changed this time. It was a 200 question paper, and even that change in the paper, the students were made, they were acclimatized to this change beforehand. So they found it very easy when they were on the final day. It was a cakewalk for Chandri Mukherjee. I'm very happy, and I'm extremely grateful and thankful to the entire team of RJ Vision for for motivating her and for helping her realize her dream to become a doctor. And I would like to recommend, and I would like to end by saying that it is expected that when personal touch and teaching methodology is so good, I think this is the best coaching center for NEET. So, thank you.